Hello, I'm Richard Stent. I live here in Glenavon in New Plymouth. Been living in this house now for about 5 months. Made the move to the Taranaki. Love the lifestyle.
I'm Nathan, been an electrician for over 25 years. Started RapidWire Electrical back in 2007, so I've been in business just a little over 13 years.
The house is old. It was built in 1944, so she's an Art Deco relic, but she needs a bit of work. I'm into renovation. I enjoy building, renovation, tearing things down, but also replacing them in as much of an original state as I can. So when I was buying this house, did I know the condition of the switchboard? I remember taking a look at it and going, yeah, that's an original switchboard. Did it alter my opinion on whether to buy the house or not? No, I knew that it probably would need upgraded because with old houses come old problems. I got a phone call from Schneider and was expecting them to say, thanks for entering the competition, but no, I got a phone call and was elated to hear that I'd won the prize. To get I suppose a free switchboard upgrade, I was over the moon.
I mean, to look at the switchboard, most people probably wouldn't see what's old and what's new. I mean, if you've got old rewirable fuses, there's a high possibility that you've got old wiring as well. The other option would just be to ring your local Sparky, get them to come have a look. I mean, would be a minimum charge for someone to come and have a look at your switchboard and say, hey, you've got 5 circuits that are old and 3 that are new, or it'd definitely be a benefit if you're not sure. I guess the home requirement, we've got a lot more protective devices. We've got LED lights. We've got there's a lot more focus on safety in the home. Years and years ago it kind of was really overlooked, and I think homes are a lot more safer with the new regulations than what they were 20 years ago.
It's such a major asset because it offers that level of safety that an old circuit board does not. Yeah, would I recommend that other household owners invest in arc fault detection devices? Most definitely. They appear, hopefully I'll never have to have them used, but they're there and they're going to obviously provide full protection for all the circuits that I've got in the house.
Well, with old wiring, if you get a short or an arc, what it is you've got a break in the cable. Could be at a switch, it could be terminated on a switch, it could just be where a nail's broken a wire, and it's not shorting to another phase or to earth or neutral. It's just arcing across, kind of like a welder. So that creates heat and can create fire. So that's why they've sort of been overlooked and why I think they're a great device that's come onto the market. These would definitely be a benefit in a situation where you've got an old house with no access in the ceiling, old wiring. You can fit them to the boards to protect those old circuits. The AFD device with the onboard RCBOs have definitely saved a lot of space in the switchboard. They've made the upgrade just as easy as a normal upgrade to do, so it's been great.
I'm elated. I really think that the old switchboard, even though it was hidden behind a cabinet, was a bit of an eyesore, but the new switchboard and its look and feel and how it fits in the new cabinet is just very nice. I'm really pleased. I was very lucky to come across this competition, and it's a bonus because the job probably would have had to have been done in the next 5 years. As I extend the house, there would probably be compliance issues with some of the electrical work, so having a new switchboard is going to make that job a lot easier.